ending was sad. I looked, he wanted to cry. Hey everyone, welcome back. Vlogmas day 19.
No. 20.
Vlogmas day 20. We're on our way
19.
to the grocery store. We're on our way to the grocery store because basically that's what we do. That's what we do all day. We go to the grocery store. We live there. We're about to go to the Goodwill to donate some more clothes and more stuff. And then from there, we're gonna go get the chains for the truck. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the grocery store. And it's my favorite grocery store, the one that we're going to also. So I'm gonna show you guys all the amazing deals.
What are you getting?
Blue raspberries, red raspberries, and blueberries. Wait, is that the one? And this one looks like bushy.
Almonds that look like rocks.
Look at this one.
Joseph, get over here. Alejandra found a good deal.
$1.97 for 4 packs of SlimFast. One slight problem, the reason why I won't get them. 26 grams of carbohydrates. It's loaded with sugar.
And it's Slim Fast?
Yeah, absolutely not.
Alright, let's go.
Oh man, this is a good deal though.
What is that?
It's noni.
Huh?
Noni? I don't know what it is, but I do remember my uncle used to sell noni, and he was like obsessed with it.
Every time. Those shoes. Oh my god, there's hella people.
Have you guys ever seen these? Kumatos.
No.
They're chocolate. They're brown tomatoes. What? Are you jealous? You want me to really dance?
Stop, there's people here.
I know you're jealous of.
Hi. Where are you going? Elizabeth's over there trying to get that cart. And we have a cart here. She has stuff out on her hands.
Look at, I have a lot of ham. It's on sale.
How many hands?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, ham. I thought you said I have a lot of hands.
5 packs because they're only $2.
Blueberry.
But I know people always ask, like, you need to be careful on the time that it expires. It doesn't expire till January the 3rd. This will be gone in 2 days at my house. This doesn't expire till... This expires till the 31st.
Of this month?
Yeah. So...
We'll eat that one first.
Yes. These will be gone like in a week. Like with huevos with jamon, sandwiches. We eat a lot of ham. Joseph eats ham like 4 for $1. Guess what?
You're gonna take them all?
No, because they're gonna expire soon. But Joseph would drink all these before they expired. And we only got them for $1.
Damn, 4 for $1.
Who got this?
Joseph. You're gonna get copyrighted, so people are they're just dancing, just. Oh my god. Cut.
You hear your son, he has 2 muscles.
2 muscles on your arms? Damn, let me see. Yeah, he has the muscles to pick that up.
Yeah, I know. You should have those muscles to pick up the fork on your plate, homie.
Look at him. His muscles kicked in real quick.
They have ravioli for Joseph. So that's all he eats. Yeah. Can you see the ribs in between my thighs?
No.
Can you?
No.
How about now?
Stop walking like that. You're gonna get crushed. Joseph in a stiff leg dance.
Yo, my back is really, really bad. I think I'm getting old.
Okay, I'm gonna put the Joseph in the back and put Usher in the back.
Huh? No, I put him in the back. You put the groceries in the back. Oh. I'm sorry. Hi, baby. Guys, we made it back from the grocery store. And Jose bought his chains. How much were they, babe?
$220.
$220. That's what happens when you procrastinate. And we got Josadita small. There's Joseph with Kiki. Let me see your Kiki. Wow. So now is the fun part. We get to put all the groceries away. I'm only gonna put the stuff that's gonna go bad or that needs to be in the fridge because I am starving. We're about to go watch the Avatar movie. I need to take a shower because I went to the gym. I smell like sweat and I have a fucking rash. So I'm not gonna have any time to put like everything away where it goes. And then I need to clean my fridge and I don't know, there's a lot of things to do. But mission accomplished. We got everything that we had to go get done today. We donated whatever we had to donate. We went to go get groceries. We went to go get the chains. Now we got now it's Avatar time. On our way to watch Avatar. And I put on my Familia Peluche pants to be comfy. And don't worry, I clean my Crocs.
You clean them?
Yeah. But I had to bring my elf ears. Oh look, there's Natalie's mom.
That's what they were telling you.
There's Andrew over there. Andrew! We came with Alma, Josiah's girlfriend, and her mom, and her sister. And yeah. So we'll tell you guys how the movie is. Going to the bar. Hijo de tu. You got it from my backpack? You come embarrassed me. You want a beer?
Nah, I don't drink.
Family to yours.
I finished them.
Damn, we're ready? Movie hasn't even started.
Hey. Hello.
Someone's orangutan is here.
You didn't tame your chimp. Alright guys, so the movie's finally over. It was a very, very long movie. I was sad because ending was sad. Like the ending was sad. I looked, he wanted to cry. But Joseph, or just leave their asses at home. That's it, period. Do not bring them. Especially to a long ass movie like this one. I don't want to say what I did to him, but I did pinch him. Good morning. I bet you have no idea what movie we watched.
He's confused, like what? What happened?